The launch of our Adaptogen Elixir kombucha is almost here to support your body's ability to adapt to stress. So stay tuned to find out more about adaptogens. So I've been sipping adaptogens, sipping my way to serenity for 5 years, which is why I'm so excited by the launch of this Adaptogen Elixir. It's an elegant blend of ancient adaptogens mixed with a light sparkling kombucha from black tea. It's packed with a dream team of stress-fighting renegades to support, balance, and calm your body and strengthen your immune health. So it comes in 100% recyclable dark glass bottles, just like our collagen elixir, with 0 grams of added sugar and only 15 calories. So just in case you're not familiar with adaptogens, because I was not 5 years ago, here's a quick definition from the book Ritual Wellness Adaptogens that I'll also link below. So adaptogens are remarkable botanical treasures that help the body restore balance and adapt to stress. They work by increasing the body's resistance to multiple stressors, including physical, emotional, chemical, and environmental. They also shield against acute and chronic stress. So who doesn't need that after the past year? So many years ago, we used stress as a sign to escape a predator, to find food. Our cortisol would raise, but it would come down. But nowadays, we're in this constant fight or flight response that is activated by all the pressures coming our way, whether it's traffic, deadlines, kids, social media, debt, diet, workout, guilt, life. Who has stress? So it affects our sleep, our weight, our gut health, our relationships, and it has many negative impacts. Now, our elixir doesn't make the stress go away, but it certainly helps your body combat the effects of stress. So what does that mean? So stress can be measured in the body, and there are key markers. And Isagenix just wrapped up a clinical study that showed a 34% reduction of stress on the body in a sample that implemented the elixir for 4 weeks. So what did that look like? The results showed a 31% better sleep performance, so less waking and tossing and turning. Now imagine what that would do to get 31% better sleep, feeling 31% more rested or energized in the morning. What does that do for your relationships, for exercising, for showing up? Stress has so many impacts on our lives. The participants also reported a 40% increase in their self-assessment of their ability to concentrate, a 33% reduction in tiredness throughout the day, a 50% decrease in feeling lazy, and a 47.6% decrease in feeling impatient. So if there's any parents listening to this, it's like a happy mommy or happy daddy juice, but it doesn't leave you feeling tipsy or tired or more tired. Now, when you put this all together, it helps people better respond to the stress in their life with better sleep, more energy, better concentration, more patience, just an overall better quality of life. So that's amazing. But then you pair that with kombucha made from fermenting tea leaves, and you get a stress-fighting kombucha tea that also supports your immune health. And it has subtle rose flavors, so it's like a sparkling rosé, but alcohol-free, but you still get the benefits from the probiotics. So it's super convenient. All you have to do, just like the collagen, is chill, twist, and sip. We don't want to add stress to your schedule trying to reduce it. So what are the adaptogens in it? We have rhodiola. This helps manage the impact of physical and mental stress. We have schisandra, which is a physical fatigue fighter, also known as the endurance adaptogen. We have ashwagandha, which is the time-tested relaxation adaptogen around the world. We have astragalus, a healing herb that supports immune health. We have eleuthero root, which is the brain booster that gives you better focus and improved cognitive function. Who's excited about that? So it's so simple to get your hands on it first, or to become a brand ambassador. Simply get back to the person who sent you this video or comment below for your VIP access and your personalized link, and join our well-being community of support. And I'll make sure to send you a discounted link. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when I release another video, and check out my library, especially the video on collagen elixir, because you can also get started on a sample pack including collagen elixir and adaptogen elixir, which is going to help you feel and look better. I look forward to working with you.